Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Tonight, I am not working on a pinball machine. I am actually doing another project that we have going here, and I thought I might show you guys a little taste of what I'm doing. So, we have this private pinball club in the New Orleans area called the Mystic Crew of the Silver Ball. And tonight, like on other nights, we have these live shows, these special events. We're streaming live on the internet for people to see it. I thought I might show you a little bit of a behind the scenes of what we're doing here. So I'm here in the control room, and of course up there is like bazillions of pinball parts and stuff like that. So when I'm not repairing and working on pinball machines, I am producing this concert thing in our arcade. So we've got here our digital audio interface, all our outboard equipment, and then we have a Pro Tools rig here. We're recording the band that are performing, and then we are streaming it live here, and this is our live streaming rig. So we can flip from one camera to another, and this is a monitor of actually what is happening in the arcade right now, and I can crank it up. Let's go right over here, turn this up, and there's that's what's happening right there. Change the camera.
Got 3 flat tires and I go about to follow the hitch. I gotta get out of here, see my baby again. I gotta dance the blues.
So this is an actual live thing going on. Let me turn that down a little bit. Okay, so it's a skeleton crew because of the coronavirus. We only have a handful of people in the space that are working on this. So the band is in there. They're socially distanced, and we're performing and we're streaming live for their fans and everything. And let's take a quick walk, and I'll show you what's actually going on right now. So these guys are playing. Let's go out through the door and see. And this is it.
They just won't treat me right. Got the dance the blues. I just can't get a flight. That's been a while. Thank you. That's another original song by Stevie. Little mellow number. We can keep rocking soft smooth jazz.
So this is the inside of our arcade, but of course we'll turn it over to artists that are performing every now and then, and kind of have our
Which one's it? I'm rocking.
rock it.
We haven't done any trowel.
I don't have my wallet though.
So I retreat into my little office here, and get back to work. So it's kind of a big job, to keep track of like everything that's going on and try to coordinate the social media and do all of this. It's exhausting, but it's really rewarding to be able to help these artists that are out of work right now, get some attention online. And the pinball machines really do make a great backdrop for the bands performing, all the blinky lights and the art. So we really dig that. And we can flip right there and change the camera angles and stuff like that. And so a little snippet into some of the other things that are going on over here in Pinball Help land. And if you guys want to find out more, you can visit mysticcrew.com and you can find out about that. That's the other website that we've got happening. And until next time, thanks for watching.